put some more stuff in real quick.
What is going on, you guys? Welcome to my channel. Now you guys are here because you guys are wondering what type of seats did I get on this 2017 Camaro right here, man. But before we get to that, feel me, we're about to go to a spot. There's not a lot of people because there's a lot of people in the gas station. But we're gonna head to a spot. If you guys remember my boy right here, Josh, with his Prelude, with the gold rims, you know, lowers it and stuff like that. We're about to go do a smoke session with him. And as well, I want to bring you guys along and show you guys these new seats that I have on my 2017 SS Camaro. You're fucking lit, bro. I like your watch, bro. For sure, bro. Shiny as hell, nigga. Guys hear the inside of the car when I'm gassing it, or not gassing it, but just on, you know, cruising shit and revving a little bit. I don't really hear that much of a noise, or like, you know, that ugly noise that I had on the V6 Camaro, man. But so far so good. I am enjoying the little pops and little crackles that be on the Camaro when, like, you know, you rev it all the way to the rev limiter and it goes to like from 5 to like 4 or 3. But man, look what we got right here. Woo! Woo! Ooh, dog. Crazy right here though. Ready to gas it? And I'm going! Head to this spot at the marina in Pittsburgh, California. It's like a really nice area and a really nice spot. And I don't know, I just want to record the video right there and show you guys the seats, and we'll be doing just chilling right there, man. So stay tuned, stay tuned. Prelude. You guys like the ass of a Prelude? Y'all ready to hear some noise? Here we go. Follow me, motherfucker. Listen, I gotta wait for him. Look, he's on his way. Oh my god. What's going on, you guys? We made it to Pittsburgh, California, safe and sound with this sexy, beautiful 2017 SS, and with my boy in the Prelude, Josh. One new thing that I have on the car, man, is, you feel me, the tinted windows. The tinted windows, dude did them for the free, so it was so sexy, man, really fucking sexy. So like, you could hardly see, but you ain't gonna see me at night rolling through, man. Before I show you guys the new seats, you know what I mean, let me show you guys the seats that I had before, these new leather seats that they installed. Comes with these nice creamy seats, man, white creamy, looking real nice. In the back as well, creamy. Now it's time to get in the car and check out the leather seats, guys. Hey. What do you guys think? Check it out, leather seats, man. Even has my name on it, John with a Marrow. Oh, YouTube name, Instagram name, it's all on the both seats, man. Freaking amazing. I love the style. See, I totally did. I wanted black with red on it, and that's how he did it. Plus, he matched the middle because the top of the car is still, you know, you feel me, white, as you can say, but the back as well. Leather seats in the back, wonderful, man. I'm digging it. I am digging it, man. I want to know, what do you guys think of these beautiful leather seats? You know, I think they're freaking beautiful, but I want to know your opinion on these seats, man. Let me know on the comments below. Ocean. tinted. And just having them tinted, man, just makes the car stand out a little bit more different, you know? I don't know if it's just me or myself, man, but I be seeing a lot more head turns, man. Like, literally, I be, you know, driving by, barely hitting 25 miles per hour, and the exhaust has a little crackles, little pops on it, man. Whew, fucking sexy, dude. I'm loving that, man. So, I mean, I do a little revs here and there, but oh my God, just the tint on it. And the leather seats just make it so freaking incredible when you walk in. Like, literally, you step in the car and you're just like, man. If you've seen the car in person, I promise you, I will let you, one of you guys or whoever wants to get in the car and feel it for yourself. Sit down on these leather seats, man. It's very comfortable. I feel like I'm going to fall asleep and on the road, but, you know, I don't. So, like I said again, guys, you know I fuck with the Preludes, man. I love the Preludes. Preludes are awesome, especially the way when they're really nice. The color on them, the paint, when they're really nice. Just basically really nice. I really dig them. And I fucks with my Camaro SS. So tough, man. I mean, it was sexy when I had the front license plates on, but once I took that shit off, man, oh my God, that looked even more sexier with these chrome rims. Beautiful, beautiful chrome rims. Like, oh my God. If you guys enjoy the video, give this video a thumbs up. Not only give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, but if you also liked or you freaking loved the seats, man, the leather seats, the new ones that I installed for my baby right here, make sure to hit the video a thumbs up as well. If you guys are new to the channel, y'all know what to do, fam. Hit that subscribe button. If you're not new, thank you again for coming to another freaking video of mine. You guys are freaking awesome, man. You guys are the best. I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.
You put some else real quick.